Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the conversion point from Adam Payne. I'm going to give you my opinion as always, which includes the good, the bad, and whether or not you actually need to pick up the conversion point to move you and your business forward. Here we are looking at the sales page, how to double your conversions and stuff more money in your pocket with a tiny list of subscribers in less than 30 days. Make reliable and repeatable online commissions in days. Good headline, pretty solid. Are you guaranteed to stuff more money in your pocket in 30 days? That's really going to be up to you, but this training is going to show you the way ahead and how to get a lot closer to this than you are today. So you scroll down through here and you can see Adam's going to talk to you about the exact methods. He's going to have some proof here that other people loved it, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to learn about the exact 3 keys to monster profits: the right message, the right person, the right time. I talk about this all the time here on the channel because I am talking to you about marketing. Marketing is about understanding your target market, understanding your target message, and understand where to find those people and how to deliver your target message on your target media. Target media being video here on YouTube, or creating a blog, or posting on Facebook, Facebook groups, Facebook pages, doing ads, all that kind of stuff that encompasses everything you need to do when you're talking about building a list, and more specifically building an audience. And that's what the conversion point is about. So let me show you inside so you understand exactly everything you're going to get when you pick this up. So after you purchase the conversion point, and there is a link in the description because I do recommend this product, and I'm also going to show you a bonus that I'm going to give you when you pick it up through my link. Again, link in the description. You're going to see the conversion point reloaded. Small list, big profits. This is the front end. There are 2 OTOs or upsells: the conversion point list building, as well as conversion point done for you emails. Those will be just as good as the front end, so I recommend those as well, but they're not needed because everything you're going to get right here is inside of Conversion Point Reloaded. So if you're a little tight on cash, or you just don't like upsells and funnels, well, just ignore those. Grab this front end and you're going to see right here: welcome and introduction, an introduction to autoresponders, segmentation, how to write emails, selling via email, and you're also going to have 3 bonuses right here inside of the training, to include audience growth profits, at 80% conversion case study, and outsourcing secrets, and also the bonus that I'm going to provide you, which I'm going to show you right now. And then I'm going to walk you through each one of these modules to show you all the sections and all the training that's inside of the conversion point, because it is loaded with the things you need to know and understand when you're talking about building lists. And again, more importantly than just building an email list, talking about building an actual audience and covering down on the whole like, know, trust that everyone preaches to you when you're talking about building a real online business and actually building an audience of people that are open and responsive to your message and actually buy the things that you recommend. So the bonus that I'm going to give you for picking up the conversion point, again, link in the description, is a complete checklist. So as you go through the training, you can check off each one of these. And as you can see, once you get into the welcome introduction, you're going to be able to go through finding your way around the course, audience versus list, and roadmaps. And you're going to be able to simply check those off. So then if you need to pause, because truth be told, everyone buys training with the best of intentions, but things get in the way and you need to come back. So this checklist is going to allow you to know exactly where you left off, as well as it's going to have additional information and notes that I've provided inside of each section. And you can see right here, all you need to do is click on that and you'll see, for example, I'm going to walk you through GrooveMail and GrooveFunnels as an alternative to the autoresponders that are recommended inside of this training, because the autoresponders and page builders that are recommended inside this training are paid. Of course, GrooveFunnels and GrooveMail is free. So you can see resources like that. Also here, acquiring high quality leads, and others that I've added in here for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 currently. Additional bonuses and notes inside of the checklist. So again, that is my bonus, the checklist, to make sure that you are following along and making sure that you go through the conversion point, as well as get my notes that I've gone through and added as I went through the training that I'm going to show you right now. So again, here we are back inside the conversion point. You simply click on start, you go through the welcome and introduction. And yes, watch these videos, do not skip them. Adam is going to walk you through each thing that you need to understand: audience versus list and roadmaps. These roadmaps are key. These roadmaps are the same roadmaps that he uses inside of his Video Marketing Insider, his complete video marketing training. And you can see right here, these roadmaps lay out everything you need to do step by step, so you understand exactly where you are, where you're headed, and where you are going to be along each step of the journey. Very, very good, high quality roadmaps, again, to keep you on point inside of the conversion point. And then you'll move on to Introduction to Autoresponders, and you'll walk through each one of these, choosing the autoresponder, broadcast versus follow-up, send emails, cleaning, single versus double opt-in, and you'll keep moving on to section, segmentation, how to write emails. You'll see all the training right here. This thing is packed for what you're going to pay for it. It is ridiculous. You're going to get all this training. And again, you need to go through the training, and that's why I'm providing you the checklist that I'm giving you. Because like I said, with this much training and this much detail and this much just volume of training, you're going to need a way to make sure that you finish this, because if you don't finish this training, there's no point in buying it, and you won't get the results that Adam promised on the sales page, because the results are real. You just have to take action with it. Again, that's why I'm providing you this checklist with my notes and other resources, so you can easily follow through and make sure you finish, because this checklist, like you see right here, is interactive. And once you get to the point where you're going across this and you actually make it all the way through, you can simply reset and start again, and then go back and review the places and the points that you need to review again, and just simply note them in here that you've checked them off. And again, you'll have my notes in here and links to other resources and other products that I'm giving you as bonuses that I have under my own brand that are going to help you create a email list, an audience, and make sure that that email list and that audience is responsive. And again, that's all by knowing the exact 3 steps right here that you see: the right message, the right person, and the right time. Of course, transform your emails into conversion machines, build excitement for affiliate promotions, more money in the bank, which at the end of the day is the reason that I'm here, the reason you're here. And he's going to show you some other things that you definitely need to know and understand when it comes to list building, and more importantly than list building, building an actual real audience that responds to your message. Again, this is from Adam Payne. He's right here. He's going to introduce himself, and he's going to talk to you right here about how to get them to open the email, what drives clicks and links, getting into the psychology of it all, and of course the 3 keys again. Also the 3 bonuses that he provides. Bonus 1, audience growth profits, swipes for 80% conversion case study, outsourcing secret. And also, this is the key to Adam and his training, is how real he is in the aspects of the fact that he is providing you the training that you need to then take and put into action. And it's time to place emphasis on delivering real, sustained value to a group of customers you care about. That is the entire point of this training, is understanding and knowing how to do that, as well as the technical aspects of it. And understanding this is the difference between a hobby and a predictable, life-changing revenue. And like Adam lays it out here, the way the conversion point teaches is not sexy, it's not fancy. There's no crazy funnels or complicated tech. Again, there are 2 upsells. You absolutely don't need them. They will benefit you, no doubt, if you choose to purchase them, but at this stage, you don't need them, and you get all these bonuses inside the front end to include my checklist. This training, just like Adam says, is based on age-old principles. They used to work, they still work, and they're going to work tomorrow and the next day, 2021, 2022, because it's based on trust and being a real, genuine person. Because at the end of the day, that's the point. Be real, let people know what you think. Only recommend products and services that are good, that you trust, that you know work. And that's the real secret. But again, link in the description, pick up the conversion point. You can get it right here. It's only $37 during this launch. You got a few days. Again, link in the description to grab my bonus. Pick up the conversion point before it goes up to $97. Training from Adam is top notch. I recommend it. I give it a thumbs up. I'm telling you, go get it. Get my checklist. Check each section off. Check out my notes. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Link in the description if this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this one and the videos you see right here. Click those. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.